Hey everyone! Today we are going to make our very own lava lamp. Yes, you're gonna do it with me. Okay, so all you're going to need is either like an empty water bottle or a cup. A water bottle is gonna be good if you want to like keep it for later, and some oil. I have vegetable oil here. Some food coloring would be nice, just so you can kind of see the different colors, and some effervescent tablets or antacid tablets. And here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? So we've been talking a lot about density. So we have our water here, and I'm gonna dye my water blue. Blue is my favorite color. So I'm just gonna throw some of those drops in here. Again, this is just, whoops, water from my faucet. Let's see, I should have brought something to stir. I have this paper clip here. So I'm just stirring up the water. All right, next I'm gonna add my oil. Usually you're gonna add about half and half. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I do have quite a bit of water in there, so I'm gonna try to fill up the rest with oil. So just like we talked about last time, we have two layers now. Which layer is more dense? Right, remember, more dense things tend to sink to the bottom. So our water is more dense than our oil. So now all we have to do is add our tablets in. Again, these you can get from the grocery store. You might have some at home. All right, so you can drop the whole tablet in or half if you like. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, what's happening? So as you can see, the tablets are dissolving in the water. That's creating a gas. When that gas is forming, gas is more or less dense than liquid. Right, gas is gonna be less dense, so it's gonna try to make its way all the way to the top because it is less dense. So that's exactly what's happening here, as you can see, and we have our lava lamp. So it might be better if you add less liquid. I have another cup over here, less water, I mean. So gases have density just like our liquids and solids, as we talked about in the last two videos. So here we go. I'm just gonna add more oil to this one. Here I have red water, and I added oil. And now I'm gonna add another effervescent tablet. So as that gas starts to dissolve, you notice our lava lamp kind of is coming to an end here. That's because the gases are all dissolving. It's reaching the top, and where is the gas going? Right, it's evaporating. It's going to the top and it's releasing into the air. So we no longer have our gases here to make our bubbles and make our lava lamp. So over here, I'm gonna do the same. Again, on this side, you can tell I added a little bit less water. And I'll show you over here in the blue one. That's why I said if you add it to a water bottle, you can just keep it in there. And you can always add another effervescent tablet. So when you get more tablets, you can see. So note to self, a little less water is probably better. And then now you can see the lava lamps, both of them going in action now. And that is how you create your very own lava lamp. Easy enough? All right, don't forget to clean up after yourselves if you did do this at home. Thank you all for doing this with me. I look forward to more mini science experiments like this. I hope you do too. See you next time. Bye.